Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro got a slight hump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we're in an oversold market. The euro got a slight hump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we're in an oversold market. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global stock markets sank as Europe faced a new squeeze on Russian gas supplies. London and Frankfurt opened lower. Tokyo, Hong Kong and South Korea fell, while Shanghai gained. South Korean consumer electronics company LG has partnered with Hedera Network to launch an NT marketplace called LG Art Lab, with the aim of boosting NFT adoption on its smart TVs. It has been a little while since Tesla has expanded into a brand new market. The company was trying hard to enter the Indian market for years, but the effort was put on hold earlier this year after negotiations with the government stalled. Now, Tesla is preparing to launch its electric vehicles in Thailand for the first time, with a significant hiring spree.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.